Maryland Creative June project, take 2. Call me in the morning.
Okay, I will. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Maryland Creative Project for the month of June. I am so excited about this project. We are going to make keychains and pendants out of these pretty stones. This project is dedicated to a wonderful special friend of mine that I love so much. Not only is she creative and crafty, she's just a really awesome person. Her name's Andela, and she came up with this idea, and so we're going to do this for the month of June. Now, to get started, remember, always collect your supplies together so you can have them available. For this project, you're going to need a small scissors, some Gorilla Glue, some glue dots, some fantastic craft and glaze, a ruler, paintbrush, and some scrap paper, a toothpick. Make sure you have that together. And next, you want to have your kit. Now, you can order the kits on Amazon, or I do have a kit available for purchasing for $15, including shipping. And what that includes is you're going to get 5 different pendants with a stone. You'll have 8 pieces of paper. You're going to have a black chain. It's going to look like this. And some leather for the keychains. And 2 rings and 2 hooks for your keychains. Some clasps and jump rings for those who like to go a little further on their necklace. And I'm going to go ahead and provide some glaze and glue for you in this little thing. It doesn't take much glue to put these together, so you can do it without that. So why don't we get started with our project? Okay, we're back. The first thing we want to do is take our fantastic glaze and glue, which you can purchase online. Open it up, and you want to just put a tiny bit of glue on that. Just got the one. And just brush a little bit of glue on there, like this. You don't want to glob it too much. If you glob it too much, it'll mess up your picture. Just kind of coat it pretty decent. Okay? And then take your picture, like that. Take the glass, put it over the picture, and you can move it around to get it even, because it won't glue yet. And then you take your finger and just push it down. Okay, you want to let it dry. And for time purposes, we're going to set that one to the side and let it dry. And we're going to take one of these that I already have dried. Okay, then you take the dried stone and you take your small scissors and you want to cut around the edge of it, like this. This one's a peacock, and I just love it. It's so beautiful. I messed up the other one, so I only have one peacock picture. Okay, and just kind of trim it around until it looks pretty good. Okay. Then you take your pendant metal piece and your glue dots. I'm going to use 2. They do provide these pink dots that go on it, but for some reason they didn't send it to me. Set it on the top part. Take it off like that. Do the same thing on the bottom. Like that. Okay, and then take your toothpick. I'm going to set my glue aside so I don't knock it over. And just kind of push on it so it's on there real good. And then you want to take your Gorilla Glue, the mess that I have on my Gorilla Glue, and put some Gorilla Glue in the areas that doesn't have the glue stick, and then put a little bit on your toothpick and put it around the edges. All the other videos show not to do this, but I like mine to stick really good. Gorilla Glue works so awesome. Okay, and then you take your little rock pendant that you have and just slide it right in there. Okay? And then just press on it. I say press about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. It should stay real good. If for some reason it keeps sliding up, which some of them may do that because they don't quite fit the metal piece, which I don't understand that, but anyway, this one's fit perfectly, so it's actually ready. It's done. But if you have trouble with it, keeps popping up, just put something heavy on it, right, Allie? Put something heavy on it. Make sure you protect the top and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it'll just pop right back up. And you can just finger the glue off the top of this. So now it's all done. Voila! So the next thing you want to do is take your chain, slide it in, and there you go. Voila! I'll tell you what, folks, these are so pretty. And it's mix and match. You could take this pendant off, put another one on that you have. You know, as you make them, you can switch them out. It makes it really nice. Now, with the keychains, okay, so with the keychain, you want to take a piece of leather and just trim it off. It's probably about, I'd say, 6 or 7 inches. Okay. And then take it, you slide the pendant through the 2 holes, like that. And then pull that through. What's wrong? Oh. Slide it through once. I'm sorry. Slide it through once. And then you take the 2 strings at the top and then tie it in a knot, like that. And maybe you could come up with another idea, but that's the idea that I have. Then you take your little hook, slide it in, like that, and then this hook. Okay, and you got your keychain on there, like that. Or you could just do it like this without the piece of leather, like this. Okay, so that's all done. Alright, we made our 2 pendants, we made our necklace pendant, we made our keychain, and they look pretty. We're ready to go. So thanks for joining us for June's project. Feel free to DM us your final project picture, or you can email us at bearlandcreative@gmail.com. And don't forget, those who email us their final project have a chance to win our gift package, to be picked from a winner from our gift package. So also, if you'd like to have a kit, go ahead and DM me, and it'll be available for you. Thank you, and we'll see you next month. Here's an example of a finished pendant.